G'day. Today I will try a new little concept out, POV gym session. So we're gonna do some chest. We'll see how this goes. I fucking hate filming in public, so this is gonna be a real fucking challenge, but hey, let's fucking go. So an exercise I like starting out with is a little tit stretcher. So let's start with those. Fucking hate this, uncomfortable. So, 3 sets till failure, approximately. First set done. I forgot to mention, it's a 40 kilos one. Second time videoing. Easier. I'll do 3 sets, 40 kilos to failure. Done. Some bench. So we're going to do some warm-ups on 110 kilos on bench. So, no, 100 kilos, sorry. So just some, that was, there we go. Just some easy reps. That's enough warm-up. Alright, third set, no, second set, 130. Just do this till I fail. Probably a bit quick. Oh, that was heavy today. To be fair, I haven't eaten any carbs. Last and final set. No, maybe not. I'll probably do a drop set as well on 100 kilos. I just moved down to 120. So hopefully this goes a little bit better. That was a heavy last set. Right, final set. I think I did a can't remember the last set if I record that. Whatever. 110 kilos last rep. Right, just to assess the damage done to my chest, I'll start easy on the incline bench press. So I'm starting off with 60 kilos, so that should give me a good understanding where I'm at strength wise for upper chest. So pretty easy, but it's good to get that range of motion stretch. So just do a couple of reps as a working set, just a good old stretch. Alright, so I decided to put the weight up to 100 kilos and hopefully there'll be plenty of weight for me, because as I'm feeling, all my energy is going down to the wrong stuff. Just whatever. Should be good. Oh yeah. I have officially forgot what set I'm on. I've been trying to think for the past 5 minutes, but I just couldn't. So let's say I'm on set 2, so up the weight to 110 kilos, so I'll probably die now, which is fun. Hopefully someone's got heart to save me. Oh my god, this is heavy. Yep, heavy. Oh my god, right. I don't think I can do one more. That's going down. Oh, I would have gone for it, but don't have a spotter. And I've been feeling kind of sore in my muscles, so don't really want to throw it down, do a stand so we can fucking throw it, so just keep it safe. Right, last set's on this incline bench press, so I reckon I will I will do a failure, but let's see, might be heavy, might not. I guess we'll check it out. It's pretty hard to see with this thing in the face. I'll show when I do the flies later, because I look like a fucking moron, but who cares, let's go. Proper pumped. Anyways, we'll move over to some flies and then some dips, and I think that will be all. Alright, so the flies were just taken when I was done with my bench incline, so we're going to do some dips instead. So 124.5 kilos with a wide grip, because yeah, I don't fit into the small one, so it's just popped them out. Maximise, do some partials in the end, but I try to lean forward as much as I can to target the chest more instead of my tries, so I can do that tomorrow when I hit arms. So I do some forearms, biceps and triceps. That's pretty right. One more set before I do a drop set and then head over to the flies, and gotta say this is getting very tiring, but you know, shit's got to get done. So alright, one more set after this, which is a drop set, so cheers. Alright, last set and then some flies and then arms tomorrow, so yep. Alright, last set is gonna hurt us. I'll go for, I don't see what those are kilos, 93. From 124 down to 93. I'm not sure what I'm doing. 63 now. It's a big jump. So. Yep, that was all. Right, let's see if I can go to the flies now. What is that? Alright, let's go. Alright, there we go. I had to wait quite a bit to get the flies ready, but I usually do a front three because I don't really need that extra range of motion. I don't start my sets down there, so that's pretty good. We will max this shit out to 134. That should be plenty since I'm pretty exhausted, but this is how dumb I look. I'm very dumb, but good chest pump, so just do the most of it. So I reckon we do 3 sets. All of them to failure, and then we do possibly a drop set for the last one. I'm not sure yet. Probably will, but you know, let's just good squeeze and keep the tension on at all times. So what I usually like to do is when I get to this point, I might stretch my arms out so I can get that little extra squeeze in the pecs. That was a quick rest. I think I did a minute rest, but I really want to get home and have my fish and a roll, maybe some. Yeah, let's go. So till failure, always get tension, squeeze in the end. Kind of like this concept, but it looks fucking ridiculous. Like now I can see a little bit on the screen, it's a little bit fuzzy, but yeah, that looks. I'm not allowed to say that word, so I'm gonna bleep that out. Oh my god. Yeah, maybe put come a little bit higher up next time, because I see it's only looking at the ground. Oh, fuck, I'm focusing on the wrong shit. Alright, I'm a bit quiet now. Yep, didn't have too much more in me. Grab some water. Feeling good stretch in the pecs. Alright, last set of the evening. I just noticed, I don't know how the audio is going to be, but I can always talk over. I'm getting my microphones next week, so better content is coming. But yep, last set, drop set, show this chest. Looking forward for tomorrow soreness, but hey, that's what we train for, right? Yep, done. Oh my god. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. There we are. The chest workout is finished. Went pretty alright, I reckon. Gonna go get some food now at Woolworths. So get some fish, got rice at home. Can't do two things at once. So yeah, got rice at home, so I'll take you through what I buy. Get some creatine and protein in me. So yeah, see you in Wool. So I was gonna get some bass, but couldn't find any. So chicken mince, as per usual. Good protein source, so get it down easy. Get chicken or get fish tomorrow. But I reckon that was a pretty good session. Got some good weights. Since I had a little soreness in my chest, went to go a little bit easy. But I reckon that was a good push. Good push. But hey, arms tomorrow. So we're gonna do forearms, bis and tris. And yeah, only improving from this video. So yeah, let's fucking go. So anyways, that was all for this video. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.